Lago Atitlan was formed by a massive volcanic explosion around 84,000 years ago. That moment of destruction created one of the most beautiful and peaceful places on Earth. Starting from Guatemala City, 11 friends packed their way into a way too small van to begin their adventure. Our first stop was Panajachel, the biggest city on Lake Atitlan. We ate some lunch, walked along the shoreline for a bit, and then made our way to Reserva Natural Atitlan, where you can see some wildlife, including these monkeys and some butterflies in an enclosure also. You get to cross some fun bridges, and if you're feeling daring, enjoy the zip lines. There are 3 levels of zip lines you can choose from, and we chose the Ultra Extremo, which has some of the best views of the lake. And 2 of the runs are over a half-mile long. We then made our way to our home for the next 2 nights. One huge benefit of traveling with a large group is since you're splitting the cost of everything, you can stay in places you normally wouldn't be able to. This villa outside the village of San Antonio Palopo was more spacious and more stunning than any place we had stayed before. The views of the lake alone were worth the price. And the sunrises and sunsets from our balcony were some of the best I've ever seen. Take a look for yourself. A couple of local women connected with the Airbnb cooked us breakfast the 2 mornings we were there. They were super friendly and helpful, and they cooked us delicious food to start out those days. We took a 20-minute boat ride to the complete other side of the lake to visit the village of San Juan La Laguna. Each village around the lake is known for a different thing. San Juan La Laguna is known for art and textiles. While we were there, we piled into 3 separate tuk-tuks to visit another spot in the village. I told our driver that it was very important to beat the other 2 tuk-tuks there, but alas, we did not win that race. There's a viewing platform there that some of us hiked to. It's a short but all uphill hike. The views at the top were worth the effort though. Be aware if you want to go here, there is an entry fee to get in. The rest of our time at Lake Atitlan was spent relaxing around the pool or the hot tub at our villa. The next morning, we left early and made the slightly scary drive out of the basin of the lake towards Antigua, which was not without its own share of excitement, including crossing a small river where the bridge was out. That was a first. We finally did make it to Antigua though, which is where the next part of the adventure continues in the next video.